Hello everyone. Today I would like to give a presentation on the MongoDB Compass uh, function, which is used to to query the databases, which is a GUI over here, as we can see. So when we are on the this is a database that we have created. So here is the database, and the database has a collection, the cottage rental. As we click on the cottage rental, we see that we can do documents and aggregation functions schemas as well. So here we have a first query that we are going to implement. So the query says list the payment method, nationality of the client, feedback, and the client's name for all the rented cottage, which meets all the following requirements. So we have to meet all the following requirements. So the requirement says payment method is either check or cash, client nationality is either Indian or Mexican, feedback is best amenities or best room services. So we have a filter here for all the three types. So we have created an AND function, and where we have the check, cash, Indian nationality as Indian, and client nationality as Indian and Mexican, feedback as best amenities and best room service. So here we have the filter, and for the display we have the project here, where we have projected the payment method, the nationality of the client, the feedback, and the client name as required in the query. So we would go in the MongoDB Compass, and here we will mention exact same thing as it is written here. Like in the filter we will write this, and in the project we will write this, and we will find it. So we'll get 15 results, as you can see, and we have 15 results in the other when we run the true shell. So here are the 15 results, and we have whatever we need, like the payment method, the client nationality, the client name, and the feedback as requested in the query, and along with the filter functions. So this was the first query. Now this was the first normal query. Now we will move to the aggregated query. So as the aggregated query, here we can see we implemented this query in the Mongo shell just in the previous video, and now we can see we are implementing the same query now here. So here we have the three stages. Like for the query, we have three stages of sort, group, and out. So for sort, as the question says, we have to sort according to the payment method and the deposit paid. So we have payment method and deposit paid over here. For the group, we have the different payment types. So we will group it by payment method, and we have created two new variables like minimum deposit paid and maximum deposit paid for the first and last. As we are filtering it out, it would be the first and the last value, and we have to insert it into a new collection. So we have created a new collection as out functionality. So when we run it in the aggregation function, we have to use the same thing. Like we have used a sort, as we can see the payment method deposit paid. In the group functionality, we have seen in the group functionality, as you can see. So and we have, as we can put all of this there. So you can delete all of this and create a new one. Let's see, here we have the sort functionality. When we have the sort functionality, we will write it in here, and we can see the data gets sorted quickly. We have another stage of group, so we will group them out. Like group, when you select group, you can add the group stage here, and we have to add the group query here. Yeah, the group query, you get a the output, that are the four stages that are required. This is the sample, this is the actual output that we need. uh, and now we will move this output to the other stage, like to the other collection, something like with the out functionality. When we use the out, we just have to mention the string name, so let's mention is that as pay method statistics. And when you click on save documents, it will load add the new collection here. And as we can see, and when we reload, we can see the new one here, the pay method statistics, as we see. And here are the four outputs that we needed according to the. So here we have executed both the aggregate function and the normal query in the MongoDB campus. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.